Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be making a delicious spiced carrot cake with an orange cream cheese glaze. You guys, this recipe is so delicious. Just make sure to have everything out in front of you and prepared so we can dive in to this awesome recipe. You guys are going to love this one. All right, let's get into it. All right guys, so who's excited for November? Do I got some Scorpios out there watching? Let me know in the comments below. So yeah, this year's almost to an end. A little wacky year we had, something out of a movie, right? Tell me about it. So as you can see, what I like to do when I'm baking is I like to separate the wet ingredients from the dry, just because I would personally recommend to incorporate your dry ingredients to wet slowly rather than just dumping it all in, just because it'll make sure that it's well incorporated and mixed well. How many times am I going to say that? So funny story, I've actually never made a carrot cake before, but I have to say, like, for my first time, this came out really good. It was a great balance between raisins, nuts, sweetness, nice little tang from the spices. But yeah, it came out pretty good. So hope that you guys give it a try. Write in the comments below if you have. So in this clip coming up, I'm going to show you how to cut your parchment paper to size. So here I kind of folded it diagonally, and it doesn't matter how you fold it, but as long as you have it looks like a cone, you kind of just press it up against the middle of the pan, cut the side, and then it'll fit. If you have to cut more, you can cut more. Just make sure that you keep it folded so you don't have to cut all the way around. So that's kind of how I cut my parchment paper. You can also use this batter if you'd like to make cupcakes, if you want to make like a carrot cake bread, or even a double layer cake. For cupcakes, I would recommend maybe 15 to 22 minutes. For a double layered cake, I would recommend maybe 25 to 35 minutes. And for a loaf, I would just say maybe even 30 minutes. Just make sure that you prick it with a toothpick and see if it runs clear. Just make sure you keep an eye on it. Just a quick tip, I do recommend leaving your glaze in the refrigerator for about 15 to 30 minutes. I feel like when this glaze is at room temperature, it's kind of a bit runny. So leaving it in the refrigerator will help it thicken up as well. Now, if you want to have more of like a cute, like professional look on your cake, what I like to recommend is that you pour your glaze on top, decorate it how you want, and then stick it in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes so the glaze hardens up. But honestly, I got some impatient friends, and I was just like, you know what, let's just put some chopped pecans on top and that's it. So that's kind of what I did, but you can decorate it and style it however you want. But either way, it's going to taste very, very good. I don't know if you can tell by that slice, but look how beautiful it's cutting. It's just so moist, and I hate to say the word, but you know what? This cake is moist. It's fire, bro. Look at it. It's delicious. Look at that color. Look at the orange zest peeking through that icing, and the carrot. Come on. You feel me? All right.
Wow.
How is it?
It's amazing.
It's amazing. What's it taste like?
A carroty, citrusy, raisiny.
Yeah.
Beauty.
Right. Okay. Last bite. Awesome. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, turn on your notifications for more weekly videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.